Yellowstone National Park, located in the United States, is one of the most famous and extraordinary natural parks in the world. Covering an area of about 9,000 square kilometers, it is located mainly in the state of Wyoming, but also extends into Montana and Idaho. Established in 1872, it is the first national park in the world, a true pioneer like our Gran Paradiso or Abruzzo national parks, and is characterized by extraordinary geology, rich fauna, and a variety of ecosystems. One of Yellowstone's most fascinating and unique features is its underground caldera, the heart of an active supervolcano. Think of Etna, but much, much bigger. The caldera formed about 640,000 years ago, during a catastrophic eruption that released enormous amounts of lava and ash into the atmosphere, radically changing the landscape. An apocalyptic event, almost like that of Pompeii. This volcano is one of the largest in the world, and its geothermal activity continues to influence the region. The caldera is a large area that hosts a series of geothermal phenomena, including geysers, hot springs, fumaroles, and boiling mud pots, a true spectacle of nature. The famous Old Faithful, one of the best-known geysers in the world, is an impressive example of how the underground pressure, generated by the caldera, continues to give life to these phenomena. It's a bit like our Stromboli, always active. Yellowstone's landscape is dominated by a wide range of rock formations that tell the park's geological history. Think of the Dolomites, but with an even older history. Sedimentary and volcanic rocks, many of which date back tens of millions of years, intertwine to create a variety of breathtaking scenery. The most visible formations include rocky highlands, canyons, and the famous Yellowstone Falls, an imposing 94-meter-high waterfall, almost like the Marmor Falls, which plunges into the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. The park's geology is extremely complex, with layers of solidified lava overlying older sediments, witnessing the long and continuous evolution of the territory. Yellowstone's climate is typically mountainous, with short, warm summers and long, harsh winters, a bit like in our Alps. Summer temperatures can reach 20–25 degrees Celsius, but can drop rapidly in the evening. Winters are particularly harsh, with temperatures that can drop below 20 degrees Celsius like in Siberia, and abundant snowfall that makes the park an ideal destination for winter sports, just like Cortina d'Ampezzo. The altitude, which varies from 1,600 to 3,400 meters above sea level, significantly influences the climate and vegetation, creating a unique habitat for fauna and flora. Yellowstone's fauna is one of the richest and most varied in the world, thanks to the diversity of environments and the park's isolation. It's a bit like a wildlife oasis, similar to our Abruzzo National Park. Among the most iconic mammals are bison, which roam freely in the park's prairies and forests. An estimated 4,000 bison live in Yellowstone, one of the largest populations in the world. Other large mammals include elk, deer, and the grizzly bear, a predator best avoided, much like our Marsican brown bear. The park is also home to wolves, coyotes, lynxes, and many species of rodents. Numerous species of birds of prey, such as the bald eagle and the osprey, populate the park, along with many migratory birds that use Yellowstone as a stopover during their seasonal migrations. Yellowstone's vegetation is also very diverse. Vast prairies alternate with fir and pine forests, which cover the mountain slopes and the cooler, more humid areas. In short, Yellowstone is one of the most extraordinary natural wonders of the world, a true jewel like our Dolomites. Geology, fauna, and flora combine in a landscape of extraordinary beauty and dynamism.